Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a Word document on the Outlook portal via Office 365 on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365, as well as a Word document you may have uploaded to the portal. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, Google Chrome. Enter to open up the web browser. Now let's go to office.com. Wait for that to load. And make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Applications. Explore all your applications. Let's now go to OneDrive. Wait for that to load. And now, once it has loaded, go to Admin, go to My Files, navigate to the 2024 folder that was created in the previous tutorials. Click on this, and we should see a Word document that was uploaded yesterday as part of these tutorials. Click on this. We can delete from the top or right click and delete. We then receive a prompt on screen that says, are you sure you want to send this item to the recycle bin? Yes, we are. Click on delete. And then once we have deleted the Word document, we can go to recycle bin. And there we have the Word document on screen. Let's now empty recycle bin again. We then receive another prompt on screen that says, are you sure you want to delete these items from the recycle bin? That is absolutely correct. Click on yes. And now the recycle bin has been emptied again. So we have now officially removed that Word document that was uploaded to cloud storage on OneDrive, removed in full. So we can now go back to home. Quit Google Chrome. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.